One rainy afternoon, a happy little girl sat near the street and made paper boats. She put them in the water and watched them float. People walking by laughed and said, "What a silly game!" But the girl didn't stop. She kept smiling and letting her boats sail. Then she saw a small kitten stuck in the water. The poor kitten didn't know how to get out. The girl's paper boats floated ahead, and slowly they made a path. The kitten followed the boats and safely reached the dry ground. The same people who laughed before now stayed quiet. They understood that the girl's small game had saved a life. So, the moral of the story is, even small joys or simple actions can turn into great kindness.